Greetings to everyone! Finally it happened. My brand new Marantz AV8805A AV preamplifier has arrived. Another good news is that I finished filming the teardown video and now it's in post-production stage. But for now I've decided to put together this short unboxing video. I hope you will enjoy it. Let's begin! It came in a box which size is almost identical to my old AV7705 and I believe the weight of both units is very similar. Let's open it up. We can see a standard set of accessories. There's a quick start guide, cable labels and safety instructions, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi antennas, sound calibration microphone stand made of cardboard, power cord, sound calibration microphone itself, set of AAA batteries and the remote control. Awesome, let's take a look at the unit itself. I am really happy that this time protective polystyrene survived the transit and it's not broken like it happened with MM8077 amplifier. The unit is very neatly wrapped into a protection foam sheet. And here we are, this is brand new flagship Marantz AV preamplifier. I will peel the tape which is securing the door. Rest of the stickers also can be removed. The first thing I have noticed is that on the front of the unit is still says AV8805 without the letter A, but rear panel is updated. You can see one HDMI input and one HDMI output port with 8K support. Also, this unit supports latest Hdcp 2.3 protocol. This AV preamplifier is the first Marantz product that I own that is made in Japan. My Marantz Blu-ray player and old receiver were made in China. Current MM8077 amplifier is made in Vietnam. So I'm very excited to see how the country of production reflects on the build quality. Great, now it's time for me to get back to work on the teardown video itself. I can say that I found a lot of interesting stuff inside the AV8805A. I can't wait to share it with you. So stay tuned, subscribe to this channel and I'll see you very soon. Goodbye.